homosexual is not a skin deep. It comes from our inner self. We can change things with stands, extremes of emotion, making us more stronger, and we remain incomplete. Indeed, a homosexual is incomplete. Magandang gabi, ang bitbining na sa inyong harapan ay wala sa inyong likuran. Ako po ang babaeng nagpabugbog ng ibang Navarro, Denise Cornejo. Nag-iiwan ng mga katagang, hindi lahat ng masarap ay pwede mong tikman. In short, wag ako, iba na lang. Meron pang isa, na hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Parang ikaw, masarap ka lang pero di ka naman minahal. Thank you for listening once again. Good evening.
Hep, hep. Hooray! Wala po bang palagpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Gravity, liberty, or should I say LGBTQI community, as a member of our community, I always go for happiness, not for what is best, because having the best without true happiness will always be considered as worthless. Diyos marahay na pagi po sa inyong kabos, or should I say good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is J. Kaala Garcia Okada, and I graduated elementary as valedictorian, salutatorian in high school, and I graduated as highest honor with 98.6% in senior high school. And I'm taking my degree with Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies at Camarines Norte State College. And I am a blogger, influencer, member of different film and movie production in Manila. And I already work with Mr. JC Alcantara and Mr. Tony Labrusca. And I am proud to represent my municipality, where I celebrated the Barbaric Festival to honor the Nuestra Señora de Candelaria. I am from the municipality of Parajale, province of Camarines Norte. And before I leave this far side or far corner of the stage, mag-iwan po ako ng dalawang kasabihan na walang halong kabatusan, ngunit isa lamang pong katotohanan. Unang kasabihan, ang taong hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay siya hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. Pangalawang kasabihan, ang lalaking hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay siya natulala sa aking kagandahan. And I hope that the honorable panel of judges will judge us not in the physical aspect that we have, because I joined another pageant in the province of Camarines Norte and in the province of Camarines Sur. And I always believe that a true beauty queen will always be a collaboration of this, and this. And I love you all. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yanni Parafisi, representing Paracale. And the beauty and pride tonight, I am your undeniable Tiso. Magandang gabi po.
Crowns are not made by jewels and rhinestones. Because the truth is, a real crown is made up of consistency, determination, discipline, and the rare trait called courage. Bakla, bading, o tsaring-tsaring. Ano man ho ang lait na itawag ninyo sa amin. Amin ho ang gabing ito, magsisilbing tagahanga lamang namin po kayo. At lagi mo nating pakatatandaan na ang baklang minsan nyo nang nilait ng pangumagahan at pangtanghalian, ngayong gabi, inyo pong pinapalakpakan. At higit sa lahat, pinagpupuyatan. What a glamorous evening, people of Barangay Ginahutan. A 24-year-old lady standing before you is not actually a lady. I am a man with a woman's heart and a woman's soul. My name is Julius David De Cara Hardinel, an academic distinction awardee of Camarines Norte State College with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in music, arts, physical education, and health. I am an influencer, a motivational speaker, a finalist of Miss Gay Bicolandia 2021, and most especially, a licensed professional teacher that is always willing to help and inspire other people. Ladies and gentlemen, I am your candidate number 4, saying, si Vis, amare, ama. If you want to be loved, learn to love. Same goes if you want to be respected, learn to respect. Because in this world, what you give is what you get. If you do great things to other people, well then, other people will also do great things to you. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am from Talisay, Camarines Norte. Good evening and enjoy the show.